Yogita Aggarwal, and finally I'm going to do another video for He, She and Baby YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you 10 must-have plants for your home.
Plant for any home is money plant. It looks super beautiful. You can grow it in many ways, and from one plant you can get so many plants. Important plant I would say is this Areca palm. It looks amazing, especially if you are someone who love to click pictures and all. So it looks really amazing. A low maintenance plant, and see the beauty of this. This comes in a lot of sizes. Like we have a bigger one, you can get the smaller one. It looks really beautiful. It's an air purifier plant also, and the best part is once you have one plant you can grow so many plants because with the cutting. So yeah, it's a must have. Aloe vera plant, I love this, and it grows really quickly. It doesn't need any attention. It has so many benefits. You can use it on face, you can use it on hairs, and can get so much of glow in no time by just keeping this plant. This is also an air purifier plant, so yes, it's a win-win. Number 5 is this beautiful snake plant. Mine is I think a little bit sick. I need to take care of that. I just noticed it, but yeah, it looks really beautiful. It's an air purifier plant, and you can keep this indoor also. This also comes in various sizes. 6 is this very beautiful lady. It is a very beautiful plant. It is considered to be a lucky plant also, and you can also grow this from cuttings. So I even have another ZA plant. I grew that with the cutting of this plant only. So it's an indoor plant, and this is a most of the time shaded area, so I kept this here. Just for the tulsi tree, because this plant has a lot of positive vibes for your home, and yeah, it's a must have one. We do have one, and it's going longer and longer, but not the bushy part. I'm working on it. Let's see, we'll have a bushy one in some time. Number 8 is this very beautiful bougainvillea. So this comes in a lot of colors, and if your balcony gets a lot of sunlight, then it's a perfect plant, because this balcony get a lot of sunlight. And look at the plant, flowers. This has a lot of flowers, and you can get a lot of color options also. So yeah, it's an outdoor plant, not an indoor one, but it's a must-have for any balcony that get good sunlight. 9 is this very beautiful and colorful spider plant. You can see this how beautiful it looks. It's an indoor plant, but again this balcony doesn't always have a lot of sunlight, so we kept this here, and it's really doing good. We are in Bangalore weather, and it's always a mixed weather. Sometimes we have a lot of sunlight, sometimes it is very shady. So yeah, it's performing really well, and it looks really amazing. Another thing, it is an air purifier plant. 2. I will say to go for the succulents like this. Really pretty. See, and you can even grow the succulent one, from the leaf only. So let me show you the other succulent that I have. It's beauty. And we have a baby plants also. They're easy to grow, low maintenance, and they need nothing but your love. So do tell me which one is your favorite plant, like how many of them you have these plants in your home in the comment section. Until then, bye bye. Make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, and share this with your friends and followers who love plants just like me and you. Bye bye.